Pandas representative sampling across multiple columns. I have a data frame which represents a population, with each column denoting a different quality/characteristic of that person. How can I get a sample of that data frame/population, which is representative of the population as a whole across all characteristics? Suppose I have a data frame which represents a workforce of 650 people as follows. I can get a sample of the above that reflects the distribution of a single column as follows. This will return a sample data frame, df_sample, such that my question is this: how can I generate a sample data frame, df_sample, such that the above, i.e., is true for all columns except name_id.apostrophe, instead of just one of them? Population of 650 with a sample size of 140 is approximately the sizes I'm working with, so performance isn't too much of an issue. I'll happily accept solutions that take a couple of minutes to run, as this will still be considerably faster than producing the above sample manually. Thank you for any help.
You create a combined feature column, weight that one and draw with it as weights. This will need an additional step of dividing by the count of the specific weight, so sum up to 1, see ASON Fadi post.
I think this will do what you need. Pay attention that normalize equals true will divide the total number of that value by the total number of the records. If you use that as the weight for your rows, then the weight column won't sum up to 1 and Pandas will normalize it again, which will result in the wrong distribution.